everyone, welcome back to Fundi Zwane Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Skeem Saam, guys. Two well-known actors will be joining the Soapie. The entertainment commentator Fundi reported that the former Imbewu star Fundi Zwane, known with her unforgettable character Kamadonsela, will be joining SABC1 Soapie Skeem Saam. She will be portraying a character of Nandi Sifiso's wife. She will make her on-screen debut on the 27th of July. Guys, we can expect more drama from her and Mantuli, as Mantuli will be running away from Maputla or the Maputla family to stay with his brother's family. The other character is Mpho Molepo. He will be also joining Skeem Saam from the 29th of July 2021. He is a former Rhythm City star and he will portray a character of Jazzy T, a famous DJ and music producer who is regarded as a lover of life. His appearance is tied to Leto. Guys, it's my opinion that they are taking Leto's character from being a lawyer back to a music DJ. Guys, this is the new season of Skeem Saam and we are expecting a lot of changes. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about these new members that will be joining Skeem Saam. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.